making hearts with paper scraps, cutting shapes from old school maps, dark scissors and glue in hand, creating love from where we stand. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love knows strong with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. We don't need no fancy store, crafted love that means much more. Every heart a work of art, pieces glued straight from the heart. Sequins shine like in a dream, crafting partners make a team, laughing through the colored strands, hearts created by our hands. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Started small but look at us now. Together we learn to take that vow. The thick and thin we made our mark, lit up the night when it was dark. Mr. Creator, we shout out loud. Our journey's been crazy, we're so proud. With every click and every view, it's all because of you. We crafted joy and faced the grind, found new ways to unwind. Laughs and tears, we shared the ride.